Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are doing sound spelling boxes. Our first word is bat. Finger stretch. B-at, bat. I hear three sounds. B-a-t. Please write bat. B-a-t, bat. Please write bat on the line. B-a-t, bat. Our next word is fin. F-I-n, fin. I hear three sounds. F-I-n, fin. F-I-n, fin. Please write fin. F-I-n, fin. Our next word is run. R-U-N, run. I hear three sounds. R-U-N, run. R-U-N, run. Please write run. R-U-N, run. Our next word is bet. B-E-T, bet. I hear three sounds. B-E-T, B-E-T, bet. Please write bet. B-E-T, bet. Our next word is caught. K-A-T. Three sounds. K-A-T, caught. K-A-T, caught. Please write caught. K-A-T, caught. Our last word is red. R-E-D, red. I hear three sounds. R-E-D, R-E-D. Please write red. R-E-D. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great. Flip your paper over. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to find the word that matches the picture. Our first word, mad, mad. At, mat. Which word matches our picture? That's right, mat. Please circle mat and write mat on the line. At, mat. Our next picture is a picture of a hat. Let's read the words to find hat. H-A-T, hat. H-A-D, had. Please circle hat. Please write hat. H-A-T, hat. Let's read our next words. Sad, sad. At, sat. Which word matches the picture? That's right, sad. Please write sad. Sad, sad. Our next picture is a picture of a cap. Let's read the words to find cap. Can. Cap. Please circle cap. Please write cap. Cap. Let's read the words to match the picture. Fan. Fat. The picture is a picture of a fat cat. Please circle fat. Please write fat. Fat. Our next picture is a picture of ham. Ham. Jam. Please circle ham. Please write ham. Ham. Our next picture is a picture of a dog who is eating a sock. That is a bad dog. We're looking for the word bad. Let's read the words. Bat. Bad. Please circle bad. Please write bad. Bad. Our next picture is a pad of paper. Pad. Pan. Please circle pad. Please write pad. Pad. And our last picture is a picture of a dog with a very happy tail. Look at it wag. Let's find wag. 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 Rat. Please circle wag. Please write wag. Wag. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.